Hello and welcome to What Jack has made. Have you ever wondered how to use Photoshop layer effects on an image without using Photoshop? Well, now you can, using CSS code. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use overlay effects, lighten effects, darken effects, and talk about the overall 15 different filters you can use on your images. So to start off, I've made a HTML file. It's just got a simple CSS reset, and then I've linked my new style sheet in the header. And then we've created a div called multiply, and it contains an image of my photography of a dog. And then when we go into the CSS file, we hide the image, and this is so that the div is the same size as the background image we're going to be setting. It'll be explained later on. I've set the HTML body to height and width of 100%, and then I've created a div element with a display of inline block, set a background image, a background color, and a background blend mode. So now when we go and preview what the website looks like, you can see that the background image is being applied as well as the background color, but it's having a multiply effect as it would in Photoshop. As you can see, the image is as it should be, and this is because we've got the actual image inside a div, but it's not being shown. So when we go into here and remove background color, you can see that's just a normal picture of the dog. But if we add in background color green and go into it, then there's a multiply of green and my favorite, coral. And then we have a light sort of beige effect. So that's one of the CSS blend modes that you can apply. You can also apply different ones such as screen or overlay. So we'll type in screen, and you can see that's a brighter effect instead of a more dark beige. It's come out as a light beige. And then when we put in overlay, it should go a bit darker again. As you can see, the color's very much saturated in this image now. So yeah, it's a really cool CSS trick that you might want to know. In terms of how many there are you can apply, there are 15 different types of screen modes you can apply. One thing I will mention about the accessibility issues and the compatibility issues of this CSS rule is that Internet Explorer and Edge do not support it, and older versions of Chrome have known to have bugs in it. Safari does not support some of the blend modes, which are hue, saturation, color, and luminosity, and older Android browsers cannot support it. So bear this in mind when you want to incorporate it. Hopefully as time goes on it'll be less of an experimental feature and one that you'll be able to use in any of your websites. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. I have loads of videos about website design, graphic design, and anything design related really. So if you want to learn about CSS or HTML, or maybe you want to learn about Illustrator, then be sure to check out my channel and you'll see a lot of content.